It's strawberry season around here, so let's celebrate with a keto-friendly strawberry recipe. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and we're gonna show you how to make a keto strawberry cake with strawberry cream cheese frosting. Let's get started. This low-carb strawberry cake is gluten-free and it's low in sugar. We are gonna be using strawberries to impart some natural strawberry flavor into our cake. And to do that, we're gonna roast them. So I have 4 large strawberries that I've sliced up. I'm spreading them along a parchment lined baking tray. And then I'm gonna sprinkle 2 teaspoons of sweetener on there. You can use whatever sugar-free sweetener you want. I'm using a monk fruit blend sweetener. And then also a pinch of salt. The salt just helps bring out the sweetness in the strawberries. We're gonna bake these strawberries in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. Then remove them from the tray, put them in a food processor or a blender, and pulse until it's smooth. To that strawberry puree, I'm gonna add a few drops of red food coloring. This is just to give that more concentrated color so that our cake turns out to be a pink color. You wanna reserve around 1/4 cup of this strawberry mixture. That's gonna go in your cake. Anything else is gonna go into our frosting. To make our cake, we're gonna whisk together 1 3/4 cups of almond flour, 1/3 cup of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix that together until it's combined and all the lumps are out of it. Set it aside and let's work on our wet ingredients. Cream 3/4 cups of softened unsalted butter into a bowl. Then once it's fluffy, you're gonna add in 1/4 cup of sweetener of your choice. Mix that until it's combined. Next, we're gonna add in our remaining wet ingredients, which is 4 eggs, 1/4 cup of sour cream, that 1/4 cup of reserved strawberry puree, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that until it's combined, and then add in your dry ingredients. At this stage of mixing your cake batter, you could add in a few more drops of red food coloring to give it that pink color. We're gonna be pouring our cake batter into a square baking dish that I've lined with parchment paper and I've also greased all around. We're gonna bake this in a 325-degree oven for around 30 to 35 minutes. Remove it from the oven and let the cake cool completely before you start to move on to your frosting. The frosting that we're making is a low-carb strawberry cream cheese frosting. So of course we're starting with some cream cheese. This is 5 ounces of softened cream cheese along with 5 ounces of softened butter. Cream this together until it's fluffy, and then add in 1 cup of powdered sweetener of your choice. For additional sweetness and flavor, I'm gonna be using ChocZero strawberry syrup. Their syrups are sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. This is 1/4 cup of strawberry syrup going in here. And then add in the remaining strawberry puree. Once your frosting is smooth and combined, now it's time to frost our cake. I also took the remaining frosting that I had, added some more drops of food coloring to get a darker pink color to decorate the top of the cake with little strawberries. This is a fun recipe, it's delicious. I love this frosting. I could just eat it from the bowl. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto strawberry cake with strawberry cream cheese frosting.